Man, I did this video a few weeks ago for you all. Yes, man, but I'm gonna just go right into it. Trust me. Woo! This is hard, man. Really hard life. I'm open about. Yeah, man, I run go country. Yeah, man, I run go in the bush to do some work. But me tell you from before now. Because the country and I have one of them young, you know, I say nothing. Yeah, man. I eat. Come on, man. We are going to road. Pop up and take on the hills. Yo, Gary, fall long there. yo, nice to go walking in. Trust me. Nothing like getting up, getting about, and taking that morning walk. Yes, man. Yo, nice to go walk, you know. In the countryside, as you can see. Beautiful as usual. Yeah, man. Nothing like yard. Yo. Soon to walk on, man. Hills we are going on. Beautiful Jamaica over there. And trust me, loving it. Boop. Whoa. You know the journey tall. Let me take a pit stop. And go there. Yeah, man. Breaks down a corner there. It's a blessing. Trust me. We have to soak up all of this. That's a good idea, man.
Let me tell you about, you know.
Yeah.
You know why I couldn't ask if you want a man?
Yeah.
Come here, I could ask if you want a woman. Come here, take my space for one man.
Blessings, daddy. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, any man, Tat and couple of that somebody for forward, but I them here wait, man. Oh, me and. Eh? If I come again? Yeah, man. Him a forward and Vernal. Is it so? Yeah. Raja and Tan can pick peas. And then say them a come give me a strength, you know. I don't know if them are forward still. Yes. And I later. Yeah, man. You know it go. Shots and family members are go up dealing. Yeah, man. So a special shout out to all of the bus drivers from St. Thomas. Yeah, man. Right? Run bus, like transport folks from St. Thomas to Kingston and onwards. Yeah, man. So special shout out to you all every day. Yeah, man. Blessings every time, daddy. Yeah, man. You know there's something going on. Yeah, man. Daddy do it. Blessings, man. Real blessings. And they have on the farm. And Gary there, you know. I go and put in the work. Proper. Yeah, man, as I tell you from before, shots gone up the hill. Yeah, man, him run gone from the farm. So all of you all out there that know shots, yeah, man, I work from bus to from St. Thomas to Kingston. Yeah, man, let's type shots in the comment area. Blessings every time, man. Stick around. The work just start. It's a phone of fork, yeah? Yeah, man, so. This is a phone of fork, so just work. Hold on on that and go and do the work. Yeah, man, come on, yard. Me and Gary, they have to know, but the whole family is moving forward, so give it some time. What that, the fork? You don't find it? When we're not forward, yeah, man, start up a hill there. We up a hilltop. Yeah, man. 2 more fork up there, so. So you know what that mean? All you work for going on yard there. Yo, I know I'm wrap up. Is it? Yeah, man, because you have to protect yourself from the element. Yeah, man, team are forward, you know. Most naturally, see all around the corner there. Vernal up at top. Yeah, man. I'm there to sort out them something, you know, man. Because once you're a farmer, trust me, you all go have them something, you know. Yeah, man, I'm on the work, you know. Either the countryside. Rex down the bottom, man. Rest. Most naturally. Yeah, man, but everybody around the corner they are putting the work, you know. Let me show you what I go on. Yep. Yeah. We're there, we're there. Proper. Going through there now. Take it easy, you know. Put in the work. Fork off the piece of land. There, you know. It's a blessing. That's it, Vernal. Hey, man, Vernal share out the you know. Some good old rice and peas and gungo rice and peas. Yeah, man. And chicken. Immediately. Yeah, man, we have to have a little boom box, you know. Play some radio. Yeah, man. Listen to Ran Mushet this morning, you know, so shout out to what? The IRFM team, is it? Mellow FM, my bad. Yeah, man, shout out to the Mellow FM team, you know. Yeah, man. Keep going in the countryside. Ran Mushet, big up yourself, dada. Yeah, man. Let me get my food. Give thanks. Woo! Look at that, man. Beautiful. Come on, yard. Shell on this. Touch back the work. Gary, put on the fork. Eat some food, bar. Proper. Yeah, man. And then I go feed buckle. Keg. That will roll, you know, you have to hold it.
Realize it took a roll of me, wet me up.
Tata throats on juice proper. I sweet part that in a tata. Cheese and pea. Let's cock him back there.
Pull up yourself in tata.
Wait, may I run drop, man?
I'm going to wait for me back to cover.
Yeah, man, they are easy back in the rest. Craft full. Yeah, man, I plan to take on the whole around the hillside in the next few minutes. Yeah, man, but come on, yard. Tata with a corner.
Big up.
Yeah, man, whole family are there. Yeah, man,
Gary way out of the hand there.
Gary Road, yeah, Metro. I landed for my mind, man. I'm supposed to there, you know. Yeah, man.
Vernal down there,
Ronald, refreshing up, you know. Yeah, man, and we enjoy all of that scenery. Nice countryside, you know. Give it some time, man. Listen, we show it the right way, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, today, man. We just take it easy. Soon start about the work. Stick around.
Food
Food there, if you want food now. We have to show what we want, brother. Whole family there. Yeah, my brother.
See there? Boom, 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 boom. You're alive, 1 hour.
Yeah, I always tell my classmate them up on a boat and do the right thing.
About.
Bro, Roger around the corner there. Yeah, man. I'm going to tell your brother from 100 and a whole heap of family there. Brother, you have to along.
Don't show you food, you know.
Oh, Jesus. Bobby, you have to along and show you food now. Blessings, man. Plate. My plate up on top of this, you know. You can use it. Or plate there, man. Yeah, today, you know, taking it easy, you know. Them boy fuck off the land done already. Yeah, man, love yard, man. Trust me, hard day work. It's a blessing. Woo! At home, you know. Yeah, man. So they call it seconds or the last. Yeah, man, because you can sit down in the corner there, so the whole place fuck off most naturally. Yeah, man. Or me knock off in keg. Yeah, man, and clean off up pot up so. Start out pot up, they're changing trousers. Yo, place beautiful, man, beautiful. Gary, I start out in juice there. Sure. Food there yard enough, you know. We have to do shell it while it's here. Yeah, man, come my yard. It's a blessing. Yeah, man, we stop under that nutmeg tree or shelter, you know. Yeah, man, whole heap of rain. In the countryside at the moment. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Yeah, man, see there? Here rain. I don't even have a cloak, but you know it go. We have to do what we have to do. Yeah, man, so I run grown out. Come my yard, let me show you where I go. I have to take up my belongings. Yeah, man, and the weather sound like it'll get serious. Weather is on. Here rain in our countryside. Yeah, man. Whew. Cheese up, keep. Weather is on. Gary run a corner there. Yo, tell you, not like country life, man. It's a blessing. Woo. Get some shelter though. Can't afford to wait up the phone at this time. Yeah, man. Yo. Eh? Give me a go up there. Fuck. But borrow that back, man. What? The same part there. Up the house? Yeah. It's a really close. That's your house? No, you saw no one. Which part? Run here? Oh. Yes, a longer. Oh. Anywhere we road them, man.
Beer coat!
Anyway, road there, bro. Come in, okay, where they look like it all get serious.
Beer coat, me gun!
Let me through the girl, let me through, let me through, let me through. Come in, bro. Tell you, man. Go on with the yang, man. Look on that one up there, so. Good God, man. Beautiful. Yeah, man. But we are trying in a whole heap of weather, so we can hardly video. Yeah, man. So sorry for the shortage of footage. My bad. Yeah, man. But come on, yard, man. It's a blessing, daddy. So you do slide and drop?
Yeah, if there's a drop off, because of doggy side right there.
Yeah, alright though.
I'm tough on you then, because 2 times
I saw it, come on.
they were done, you know, brother. I'm still in them back.
Brother, no,
Yeah?
I became to go and see upon him.
Oh.
Little lunch camp on him.
But the time wet still, me not think you should have ride in Kundong, you see me? Me I say two. Two the time wet, you know. You not ride, you just walk him.
No, you can't make too much dance in a video in a Webo.
Tell me.
Video can go up and sing in a man.
Oh, Webo, you know it's a party, man. Remember, you know, after school days, you there, you know?
And when time it's selling, man, I was told to them, but I said, pussy, see me now?
Proper.
Come from both.
Yeah, he is.
You know, I want to know. I don't ever know me. I say loud, loud, loud.
Yeah. Everybody know you want to know, man. Eh?
No, you see me face, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm here, say, brother, man. You up, man. I hear how they do. You see me, man. Proper. Yeah, man, we put in the work, you know. Clean up the place, and. Eh? Yeah. I eat me a weight pan. You see me, we can't get left off of that tree.
Me a talk to him, I'm name Loudy.
Blessings, man. Let me tell you one family, you know, we open about in the countryside. I put in the work. Yeah, man. Little do it, you know.
Play with straight.
Most naturally.
Play with the hills here.
Ah, that's it. Yeah, man. It's a blessing, man. But we're trying, you know. No, it's a right 3 shortcut or something.
Gary, I'm coming every day.
Gary, we're running about there. Yeah,
you know
man.
them people see you.
Yeah.
You know, so I have some people from England watch it.
Yeah.
Jennifer.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, Jen.
Blessings, man.
What's up, Jen?
Blessings. A special shout out to Mommy Jennifer from England. Yeah, man. You know the energy, Mommy. With the
Big up your mommy for it.
Yeah, man.
Big fan of Jamaica life, yard life 101.
Oh?
Most naturally.
Yes, sir.
Shout it out again, bro.
Big up your mommy, Jen.
Yeah, man.
She's a big fan.
Jamaica yard life.
101.
Said speed. Yeah, man.
Just this one. This one.
Yeah, man. Up and about. How are you running in? Yeah.
So when Dan come,
Yeah.
you just come pick it here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. But me have some run a yard when that beer, man, the tree tear down.
You have some
All now with it.
then sweet just free.
Boy, right now me have one sucker, you know. Where? You remember that day they only done at school tonight, the bulla?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me set that.
Remember I peer on me car?
Alright, it's see one, brother. I see one. Yeah? Me I show you one. Me have this something there. Me have it now on pot. So I take it out and transplant it due to the weather.
Talk about avocado, yeah?
Yeah, man, we're talking about some avocado tree. I know we have a plant, you know, Raja plant one and Tan have one as well. So do I. Yeah, man, and then beer to then tear down. Jamaica yard life, I tell you, say get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the Most High every time. Yeah, man, it's a blessing. Shout out to all my subscribers. Yes, man. Thank you all for the support. And I hope that you're out there wearing your mask, using your hand sanitizer. Yeah, man. And staying safe. Yeah, man. You know me already. Me up and about and me in the bush. Yeah, man. So much to show y'all. But me I'll take it one step at a time. Yeah, man. It's always good to do the right thing. Stick around, man. This is yard. Real yard life. Like, share, and subscribe, man. Invite a friend or a family member. Yeah, man. Yard like natural, no preservative, no additive. Yeah, man. Loving it.